Hey. Look at this. That's really strong. That chop is way too fast. Something is not right with this battery. Because under the exact same load, this one stays stable. It still chops, but nothing like this. You know, most people think battery capacity is the most important thing. But that's not always true. Today, I'm going to show you why. Hey, look at them. These are two 18650 cells. They have almost the same capacity, around 2500 milliamps, and both are fully charged. So, you'd expect them to perform the same, right? You see? Because they have the same capacity. But they don't. Watch this. That's number one, low load, just 1 amp. Let's start with a light load, 1 amp. And as expected, they look almost identical. The voltage drops slowly, very stable, very similar. It's actually hard to tell the difference. But now, let's increase the load. I'm going to set the current of 15 amps. Watch the screen. This one drops fast, but this one stays much more stable. That's a huge difference. Same capacity, but completely different performance. So, why does it happen? It's not just about how much energy a battery can store. It's about how fast it can deliver that energy. Hey, I have two batteries. This is a high drain cell, and this one is low drain. This tray isn't empty because after a few seconds, it just can't keep up. So, what really matters when choosing a battery? Not just capacity, because under real load line drills, grinders, or power tools, that's when you see a tooth. I test batteries like this all the time, so if you want to see what's real, hit subscribe.